Hello, duck. Those ducks are hungry, I think. They don't have Noche Buena in Christmas. I'm so sorry. I did not bring anything because I did not think we will go here in this place. You see that water? It's still ice. You can see this bird standing on the ice. And so it's very rainy. It's rainy now. These ducks, they're walking together. They're following my husband because they think that we will give them food. Very sad. They look so beautiful. You see their hair? It's the same white and green. See that? It looks so beautiful. They walk so slowly. Yeah, slowly. It looks so beautiful. You see, you follow each other to go down there. You have to go down in that water. Yeah, they go down there. See that? Yeah. So they go there and then they go together. They follow each other. Follow each other. See that? It's like they have a leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. See that? Oh, beautiful. Woo! This bird standing on the ice and this duck that are swimming. Yeah. See that? The last duck is here. So beautiful. It's a very beautiful view here. We call it like a park here in this area. So a lot of ducks, wild duck, and this bird, this white, is a seabird. Some are not so really big. Sometimes you can find also very big seabirds, but it looks beautiful. These ducks going around in this area. So beautiful here to go around, to walk around. These places are surrounded by schools, public school. See that? So that's the last duck coming